In today's hyper-connected business environment, maintaining meaningful relationships is more than just a competitive edge. It's a requirement. Whether you're in real estate, consulting, legal services, financial advising, or nonprofit fundraising, how you manage your relationships can make or break your business. This is where Cloze CRM comes in. Unlike traditional CRMs that depend on manual data entry and rigid processes, Cloze takes a proactive and intelligent approach. It automatically pulls data from your email, calendar, phone, and social media to create a unified view of your contacts and communications. Think of it as a digital assistant that ensures you never forget to follow up, miss a deal, or lose a client due to lack of engagement. In this video, we'll cover how the key features of Close works and explain why it's an excellent choice for professionals looking to build smarter, more personal relationships with less manual effort. So, for its key features and benefits, first is the automatic contact and communication sync. Close connects to your Gmail, Outlook, phone, calendar, and LinkedIn to automatically create contacts records and organize them based on your real interactions. There's no need to input contact info manually. Close captures and organizes it for you. It even pulls in past messages, meeting history, and social activity to provide a complete view of every relationship. This eliminates the biggest CRM barrier, manual data entry. You get an accurate, up-to-date relationship timeline without lifting a finger, ensuring no contact slips through the cracks. Another key feature is the AI-powered follow-up reminders. One of Close's most praised features is its ability to remind you when a contact is going cold. Based on your communication patterns, it gently nudges you to reconnect before opportunities go stale. You can also schedule reminders based on business cycles, client milestones, or recurring touchpoints. Instead of setting and forgetting tasks, Close intelligently brings the right people to your attention at the right time, helping you stay proactive and consistent in your outreach. Another key feature is the built-in email, notes, and document management. Close makes it easy to compose and send emails directly from the app, with templates, personalization tokens, and open tracking features built in. You can also attach notes, upload documents, or dictate meeting summaries that are saved right alongside the contacts record. All your communication tools live inside one platform, eliminating the need to jump between inboxes, CRMs, and document folders. It streamlines your daily workflow and keeps everything tied to your contacts records. Another key feature is the deal and project pipeline management. Close offers flexible pipelines for sales, recruiting, fundraising, or other relationship-based workflows. You can customize stages, track progress, assign values, and view your pipeline in a clean, visual layout. Each deal is tied to a contact, so all notes, emails, and tasks remain connected. You get a real-time view of your pipeline and can easily prioritize which deals or projects to push forward without losing the personal connection that drives conversion. Another key feature is the mobile-first design with offline access. Close is built for professionals on the move. Its mobile app provides full access to contacts, deals, reminders, and communications. You can update records, send follow ups, and take notes during meetings, even offline. The app syncs automatically when you're back online. So, whether you're traveling, in a client meeting, or working remotely, Close ensures that your entire relationship network is at your fingertips. No signal required. So, why is Close CRM a great choice? Cloze CRM is a unique player in the CRM space because it removes the need for constant data entry and instead gives you a system that thinks like you do. For professionals who don't want to babysit a CRM or force a rigid workflow into their business, Close offers flexibility, intelligence, and real time utility. In 2025, Close continues to evolve with improved automation, smarter notification settings, and integrations with Slack, Dropbox, DocuSign, and more. It also supports team collaboration, making it suitable for small businesses and firms with shared clients or group projects. Another standout feature is its privacy first approach. Close only uses your data to serve you and never sells or shares your information. This makes it an appealing choice for industries with strict compliance and confidentiality standards. So basically, Close CRM helps you work smarter, not harder, by combining automation, personalization, and relationship intelligence into one sleek platform. You no longer have to worry about losing track of a lead, missing a follow up, or forgetting key client details. With Close, your CRM works behind the scenes to keep your network strong and your outreach consistent. It's a smart choice for any professional looking to elevate how they manage relationships without adding another system to babysit. So if you're ready to save time, deepen connections, and stay top of mind with your most valuable contacts, Close CRM is well worth a closer look. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.